Happy Friday, first grade reading group. Our new book today is called How Do They Swim? The title of our book is actually a question today. How do they swim? And our book is going to be about different animals that can swim and the different ways that they can use their bodies and different parts of their bodies to move through the water. So instead of being a made-up story, this one is true. It's going to give us facts and information. So there's going to be a lot of words we want to go over to make sure we know what they are so we can understand the story. So the first picture, you see the fish on there? So fish use their fins and their tails, as you can say, fins, and they can use their tails to help them swim. You even have a little picture. These little pictures, as you can see, can help you too. Sometimes they have little diagrams. We've got a duck that uses his feet to swim, and a beaver that also uses his feet, but also that flat tail. There's that word tail you'll see again, to swim. How about a turtle? Some of you may have seen a turtle, or maybe some of you even have a pet turtle. I don't know. What do they use to swim? They don't have arms like us, but they have flippers. It's kind of that tricky word. See that? Flippers to swim. And otters, we're going to see some words we've seen before, use their feet and their tails. And then we're almost done. Bears use their big paws. Let me see, there it is. Their big paws to swim, like a polar bear. And then these are seals, is this animal. And they also have flippers, a little different, but kind of like a turtle to swim. And then finally, did you know that some snakes can swim? And they use their bodies. They use their whole body to swim. So those are some of the different tools that these animals use to swim. So be on the lookout for some of those words and use those picture clues to help you. As always, I'm going to hold up our page. You can hit the pause button when I hold it up. Use your finger, point along as we read, and then we're going to go over some words afterwards. So I know my paper book might be a little harder to hold up, but I'll try to hold it up so you can see. We'll make it work, won't we? Let me see both of those pages. And finally, our snake. Alrighty. The first word I want to work with, I'm going to cover up the rest of my words on my list for just a second. What is that word that I have on my board here? We saw it a lot. Swim. That S and W together that I underline makes that sw sound, like in the word swim. So I have some other words here. I want us to go down the line and see if you can read them with me. See if you can beat me to it as we read the words. SW says sw, like in swim. Makes me look forward to summer when the weather gets warmer and hopefully we can go swimming. How about this word? Swat. Swat, like you might swat a pesky fly that is bothering you. How about this one? My hint, these two E's are gonna make the E sound. Sweep. Sweep, like you hopefully help your mom sweep up if you've made a mess on the floor. How about this one? One E's gonna say This word is swell. Like if you get a big bruise and it gets all big and puffy, you might say it's going to swell up before it heals. And then this last one, my little hint, that ing. Do you guys know what it says? Do you remember what that ing says? Ing. So I have ing. I'm going to put the two parts of my word together. Make swing. Another fun thing to do in the summer once our playgrounds start opening again, right? So what I'd like you to do for your response today, pause the video, go ahead and read down for each of these words, and then your bonus is to see, can you come up with another word that starts with that SW SW sound? So go ahead and read this list and see if you can come up with a bonus word that also starts with SW.